Hello babies, how are you? Hope you are safe and fine. So babies, today I am going to teach about means of transport and vehicles name. Do you know babies, means of transport plays very important role in our life. Okay, can you imagine children if there were no means of transport? So how will we go somewhere? हम लोग कैसे जाएंगे जब कहीं भी कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट होगा नहीं तो हम लोग कैसे जाएंगे सो इफ आई वांट और इफ वी वांट टू गो समवेयर सो हाउ विल वी गो we use our feet to go somewhere but it takes lots of time है ना हम लोग रन कर सकते हैं चल सकते हैं वॉकिंग कर सकते हैं पर इसमें बहुत समय लगता है ना तो हमारे समय को बचाने के लिए हम लोग मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज करते हैं सो चिल्ड्रन I want to show you some means of transport. Okay. So babies, these are means of transport and vehicles. Okay. So this is aeroplane, aircraft, cars, scooter, cycle, or train, and etc. Many more. Okay. So babies, with the help of means of transport, we can travel or go anywhere. Okay. In very short time. Okay. So time by using these vehicles. Okay. So babies, if we want to go to school, so we use cycle, papa scooter, car, or school bus. Okay. So babies, if you want to go one place to another place or one city to another city, so how will we go? So we use car, train, bus, aeroplane. Okay. And babies, if you want to go one country to another country, so what we will use? We use aeroplane, ship. Okay. So babies, there are three types of means of transport. First is land transport, second is water transport, and third is air transport. Okay, let's know about them. Okay, so children, there are three types of means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay, so let's know about what are land transport. Okay, so children, land transport, the vehicles that moves on the road, it's called land transport. जो vehicles road पे चलता है, जिसकी wheels जमीन को टच करती है ना, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, सो लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कार, बस, ट्रेन, ट्रक, बाइसिकल, टोंगा, स्कूटर, जीप, मोटरसाइकिल, ट्रैम, metro train, tricycle, and etc. These are land transport. Okay, these transport moves on land. Okay children, understand? All right. So children, we can transfer the goods by using train or truck. Okay, one place to another place, one city to another city. Okay, bicycle, by using bicycle we can go school, park, or our friend house. Okay, tonga has been in use since ancient time, है ना. एशियन टाइम से टोंगा हम यूज करते आ रहे हैं, है ना. उसके बाद स्कूटर, जीप, मोटर साइकिल, ट्रैम, ट्रैम जो कि बच्चों का झूला होता है, metro train, tricycle, etc. and many more. Okay, hope you understand what are land transport. Okay, now we will learn about water transport. What are water transport? Okay, water transport, the vehicles that moves on the water, it's called water transport. For example, ship, boat, submarine. Okay, when we want to go one country to another country, we use ship. Okay, ships are also used for the transfer of goods. Okay, now boat, when we want to cross the river one side to another side, we use boat. Okay, submarine. Submarine moves under the water. Okay. So hope you understand. Water transport. Water transport moves on the water. Okay. Let's know about air transport. Okay. So baby, now we will learn about air transport. Okay. The vehicles that moves or fly in the sky, it's called air transport. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, aircraft, hot air balloons, rocket, and many more. Okay. Alright. These are air transport. Hope you understand land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay. So children, there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay. Land transport: car, bus, truck, bike, train, cycle, tunga, tram, and etc. In water transport: ship, boat, cruise, submarine, and etc. In air transport, we use aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, and rocket, etc. Okay. So children, means of transport plays very important role in our life. Okay. So we can say transport or transportation is the movement of human, animal, and goods one place to another place, one city to another city, one country to another country. Okay. With the help of these means of transport, we can go anywhere. Okay. In short time, very short time.